mixed condensed milk with boiling water, and everyone was amazed by the result. To start, in a bowl, add 150 g flour, 200 g condensed milk, a pinch of salt, and mix well. Next, add 250 milliliters of boiling water. Mix everything thoroughly again. Once the batter is smooth, add an egg. Mix well once more. Finally, add half a tablespoon of butter. Mix everything thoroughly one last time. When the batter is uniform, it's perfect. In a preheated pan, add a spoonful of batter. Let it brown, then flip to cook the other side. When both sides are golden, it's ready. Now use your imagination and add your favorite filling. I added some hazelnut cream and chopped strawberries. This pancake is amazing with any sweet filling. It's super quick, easy, and practical to make, and it uses very few ingredients. I'm sure if you make it, everyone will love it. Look how beautiful and delicious it is, folks. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Take care and see you next time.